In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Pinterest business account. If you're an employee or agency partner creating a business account to access your company's or client's ad account, follow these steps to set up your Pinterest business account. 1. It's recommended to use your professional email and your own name rather than the name of your business. Understand that creating an account means you accept Pinterest's business, terms of service, and privacy policy. Next, from the top right of your screen, click Sign Up. Click on Create a Business Account. And then enter your professional email, create a password, and provide your age. Next, click Create Account. Fill out the fields to build your profile and then click Next. Also, fill out the fields to describe your business, then click Next. Select if you want to run ads or not, and then also click Next. And when you're done, select where you'd like to start or click the X icon to go to your new Pinterest business account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.